Happy Saturday, everybody. It is a wet, windy, and rainy day today as Tropical Storm Ophelia moves through the area. So far, just a lot of light rain is falling, but the winds have been picking up to 20-mile-an-hour winds at some times here. So we still have customers that are coming through today. We are hoping that everybody is staying safe out there on the road to wherever you might be. And we will get through this hopefully by the end of the day or tomorrow at the latest. Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning. The storm looks to have passed over. Plants, we just need to fix. Lots of wind yesterday. I must have picked these things up 1,000 times and then just finally gave up.
It's better for them to be laying down instead of being picked over.
Nice though now that everything got a really good soaking. A few branches that have been broken from heavy pots constantly falling over, we will take care of those. These ornamental grasses just would not stay up. At one point, a grass was on the ground and a pot was completely in another spot. But look at this. These beautiful daisies are really starting to open up. These white blooms with a yellow center These are fall blooming daisies, and they are perennials. So a little bright spot here after the storm. Here inside the store, we have a couple of small leaks we were trying to manage yesterday. And then having the door open, the rain was just constantly pushing in. So we were doing our best to sweep out some of these waters. You see a couple of wet spots, puddles that are here, but at least nothing is sitting on the floor. All the produce and pumpkins and everything are lifted up. So that's a good thing. We did our best at least to manage making sure that we were here when customers were coming inside to let them know where those wet spots were. Ducks and the geese, at least for sure, had an amazing day yesterday with all the rain and the water and the puddles. Those guys were happy as could be and out and about throughout all of the rain that was falling. All the plants are standing upright once again and looking much more presentable, ready for customers to come through today. Imagine that it might be a relatively busy day, even though it was busy yesterday as well too. But now that the weather is at least dry, I imagine several people might want to come by for some produce, get their week started. Dragon, rain.
Rain was much needed. Wasn't so bad. Winds were not that bad. But it's good for the soil, orchard. Have you updated anybody on the orchard?
Nope, we'll get to the orchard at some point.
What? Just give them a little glance at least. Not more than that. No, everything needed the rain. The rain was good. But we're ready to see some sunshine now.
And got marinara sauce made yesterday.
Oh, yes. A bunch of it.
That was a good
How many
thing.
jars did you make? Almost 50?
Yeah.
Close to 50 jars. So it was a good productive day still. It was, even though it rained all day, we stayed in the house and made marinara sauce all day. Still have to pickle some jalapenos as well. So busy, busy, busy.
All right. Sunday, fun day. Let's get it started. Today is the day for these meat chicks to finally go out to pasture. Since we processed some chickens last week, we now have a tractor available. These guys are hungry. So that's going to be a little bit of entertainment for you guys, not so much for us, as we
need 40 volunteers.
try to collect half of them now to take out since we have one tractor open. Watch out, you guys. Coming in. Another round of chicks have made it to the big pasture. We only have 2 more times that we're going to be doing this, right? We have the other half of these chicks.
2.5. Oh, well, yeah, true. The third one, see it already.
Yep.
Yeah.
Other half of these chicks still have to come out. And then we have that big batch that we just got in last week of 160 chicks. So they will all make it out to the pasture in due time. Typically, everybody spends 2 to 3 weeks indoors in one of the brooders in the big barn before they come out. But because of some shuffling around, these guys had a delayed arrival to the pasture. But now that they are here, 4 weeks that these guys, so they spent 4 weeks, Dragon says.
Almost 4, so Wednesday will be 4 weeks, yeah.
Out on the pasture now they are, and this is where they will stay until
4 more weeks.
It's time to process. So they are halfway through their life cycle right now. Looking pretty good. The great thing is, as you can see, everybody is super ravenous and very hungry. A, they haven't eaten since this morning. And B, this is what they're designed to do. Just want to eat, sleep, poop, and drink. And in 8 weeks' time, we have a beautiful bird ready for processing.
And there you have it.
As predicted, another extremely busy day today. We closed early on Sundays. We've been closing at 3 instead of our normal stay open time until 5. But that usually doesn't stop people from coming in unless we put up the barricade just so that we can get to some farm chores and sometimes have an opportunity to even just eat lunch. We have about half an hour or so before the sun sets, and as you can see with the daylight I should say, getting shorter, because the days don't get shorter. We always have the same amount of hours in every day, but we make the most of every opportunity we can with the daylight here on the farm to get some work done. And Dragon is off now to go do some mowing in the big pasture. Well. Look what we have here. Is this watermelon any good?
Nope, this is for seeds only.
Oh.
So you cannot eat this.
Oh, we're definitely going to eat this one. This was our 40-pounder that we grew this season. We save the largest melon each year for seeds to plant the following year. So this Jubilee, I can already smell it. Dragon is taking too long. He needs to hurry up and cut it so we can, you know, do a little taste test to see what we're going to be planting next year. If the chickens can, oh my goodness.
Not good at all.
Well, we know it's overripe, but that won't stop us from eating it.
How long has it been sitting?
Weeks.
Yeah, at least 3 weeks probably.
Probably longer than that.
Oh yeah, we are end of September. Yeah, a month. It's been sitting in a.
So you're not going to eat it?
Not sweet at all.
What do you mean not sweet?
Mm-mm.
Let me see. Come on, hurry up.
The sweetness is gone. I had some chocolate too, maybe that's why.
Not sweet at all. The ones we've been eating in the outside in the ground where the chickens are, it's a lot sweeter. But a lot of those are still attached to the vine too.
So do we save the seeds of this one or what?
I don't know. We don't have any other options except just getting new seeds completely next year.
You can buy the seeds.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll just do that. What's this one? That saves time.
There you have it.
Saving time, saving energy. But we might still eat a little bit of this before before the chickens
It's
get
all lost watermelon.
Geese and the turkeys are gonna love this. Just you wait and see. Let's just give it to them. The chickens have plenty of. Chickens have plenty. Geese and turkeys. They need a little bit of love in their life.
There you have it.
All right. Last one. Geese and turkeys. And ducks, a few chicks. They're gonna enjoy this immensely. What's going on today, Dragon?
Not much. What are you doing?
What is this? Like, looks like peanut butter and apples.
Something like that. Close.
Oh,
Very, very close.
more apple butter, I see. You have one jar of apple butter on the shelf.
So I'm on it today. You know, Kevin was yelling at me this morning.
Kevin never yelled at you.
We have one jar of apple butter left in the shelf, so I had to get on it. People asked for a little more spicier,
Not heat, but you know, more the seasonings.
more of the seasonings. We added more cinnamon, more clove, more nutmeg, and there you have it.
More, more, more. Give the people what they want
Always.
within reason.
So Only 6 hours to go and we'll be ready.
That's not far from the truth. Happy Wednesday, everybody. We are a little bit late with doing our chores this afternoon, and the geese and some of the ducks just realized that they are also late for dinner because they've been off foraging and they just heard all the commotion, so now they are trying to catch up to get to dinner before it's all gone. Come on, guys. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I know. A little late today, but at least we got you done. Guess who else is eating late today? The egg layers. And they typically line up in a huddle and they let you know that they're very disappointed that you have shown up during the golden hour, because they should have eaten at least an hour ago. I know. We're here now. All right, folks, make room. Everybody, make a room. Make room. I have to come through. Come on. Make room. Let's go. Of course, they'll follow you. This is how you know you're essential. All right, everybody. I need to get to the feed trough. Excuse me. Coming through. Excuse me. Excuse you. Wait your turn. You two, wait your turn. You three, wait your turn. Up next, the forever hungry meat chickens. Just like the egg layers, they too will let you know that you are late for feeding time. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. Hold on. All right, feed is on the way. And let me tell you, they're ready. Oh my goodness. All right, everybody. Jeez Louise. No manners in the chicken tractor, ever. This crew is punching their ticket to freezer camp tomorrow, so they're just gonna get a little bit of feed. This is their last meal here. Here you go, guys. Enjoy. And this other crew right here is also about to receive their last meal out on the pasture, because these guys are up to be processed tomorrow as well. Some nice looking birds in here, so we are looking forward to making some more room out here so that we can get some of the meat chicks that are in waiting inside the big barn out to some fresh grass this weekend. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Our neighbors are away and asked me to come over and check on their cat. This is Benny. Say hi, Benny. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. How are you? She's doing well. They have her set up. She has a place to stay. She has an automatic feeder and some water. Hi, pretty girl. How are you? Hi, Benny. Oh, here she is. Oh, such a sweet girl. Hi, precious. How are you? I've never been a cat person in my life until we got barn cats. Animals always loved me, and now I actually enjoy hanging out with cats, especially cute ones like this. Hi, Benny. Hi, Benny. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. All right. It is after 5 o'clock. Putting up the farm closed sign because it is butcher day. Dragon and our friend Alexis have already started, and I've been working all day, so now it is time to head to the butcher area to join them. Bella might want to come too. She doesn't know why they didn't already take her. She loves butcher day because she gets treats. Quick little bathroom stop first, and then off we go. Come on, Belle, let's go. Another tractor is empty. We love making room. And now it's time for these guys to make their final ride off the pasture.
Driving this way. Right there.
It's about 7:30 now, and as you can see, it is dark. Gone are the days when we had until 9:30 before we had these kind of conditions outside. But the show must go on, and because of that, we have our lanterns. So, get these guys ready. Turn them on. We got the truck headlights, and we will continue to butcher by lantern light and by headlight. Probably have about another hour or less worth of butchering to do based on the amount of birds that we have. So we are going to try to knock this out as quickly as we can. Good morning, everybody. We have made it through the week. Today is Friday, and we are doing another move to the pasture for our meat chicks. Now that we have cleared tractors from last night's butchering, we were able to get these guys that have been in waiting in the big barn on outside. And as you can see, everybody is eager for breakfast this morning. It's a little bit gloomy and misty and rainy, overcast, but a perfect fall day here, and a great day to get these guys introduced to being outdoors for the first time. How cute are these, you guys? These are concrete statues of a hen, 3 little chicks, and a papa rooster. Dragon brought these home earlier this week, and the intention with things like this is always to sell them until I lay my eyes on them, and Dragon already knew that he liked them too. So for now, this little family will remain here at the farm. We might decide otherwise later, but we are quite fond of them. And right behind them is a giveaway that we are giving out to one of our lucky YouTube subscribers and Facebook followers this weekend. If you are watching this and the date is Saturday, you saw it on the screen. I don't remember what today is. So the day after today that this posts, which this will post tomorrow, we are choosing a winner of this. We posted this contest on our Facebook page. Some of you might be first time watchers here, but we asked everybody to help us get to 2,000 subscribers, which we did this week. So a huge thank you if you are one of our new subscribers. I thought that it would be an end of the year goal. Dragon kept saying we'll get there sooner. So in honor of that, and as a thank you to all of you wonderful supporters, we are giving away 3 different items to 3 separate people. A gorgeous mum, a beautiful hardy hibiscus. This is a proven winter hibiscus, so these things should come back. And look at that beautiful bloom on them. And then the third prize that we are giving away is a beautiful ornamental pepper plant right here. These have been so beautiful to have around and available for purchase at the farm stand this year. It's been another tremendous week here at the farm with so many new people that we've met stopping by. If you've been one of them, thank you for coming and meeting us and taking a look around, buying a few things. If you haven't made it down yet, the invitation is always there. Like I say each and every week, if you happen to be traveling through Virginia, passing through King George County and traveling down US 301, stop right here at the farm and see us. We hope everybody has had a great and wonderful week. We've had a lot of overcast weather this week. Tomorrow, we might get a little bit of sun breaking through those clouds, but as we enter into October, into the full fall season, we are so looking forward to this beautiful weather that is heading our way. Thank you so much for spending time with us, and we hope to see you again real soon. You're probably wondering what happened with all of those chickens that we butchered. I forgot to mention, Dragon and I are getting ready to package those up right now because those will be available for sale first thing in the morning. All right, you guys. See you guys around the farm next week.